So, in the previous class, we have been talking about the general term, coefficient of a certain power of x, term independent of x. All right. So, in the previous terms which are like having integral terms, means free from the radical sign. So, we have been talking about all these things. Yes. So, today we will do some more problems over it, which are very important. See, why I have been doing this chapter, it is a very high priority in JEE Mains. All right. For last 2 or 3 years, binomial theorem has seen the second highest weightage after vector 3D, or I should say determinant and matrices. Now, vector 3D and determinant of and matrices are of your +2 concern. So that is why we are doing this topic in the very first go. All right. So the question is the term independent of x in the expansion of this. All right. So that is 1 minus x square plus 3x cube 5 by 2x cube minus 1 upon 5x square whole to the power 11. Now you are looking for the coefficient of x raised to the power 0. That means term independent of x. That means with this term, with 1, you want coefficient of x to the power 0. Say I call it expression p. I call it p. You want coefficient of x to the power 0 in p. With this, you want coefficient of 1 upon x square in p, so that x square cancels out and you get term independent of x. And with this, you get coefficient of 1 by x cube in p. Am I correct? Now, the general term is TR plus 1 is 11CR 5 by 2x cube to the power 11 minus r minus 1 upon 5x square to the power r. So that is 11CR 5 by 2 to the power 11 minus r minus 1 upon 5 to the power r multiplied by x to the power 33 minus 5r. Yes or no? 33 minus 5r. Now, from this 33 minus 5r, 33 minus 5r cannot be 0. Because if I make it 0, I do not get any integral x. Then 33 minus 5r equals to minus 2. If it is so, that means r is 7. And for 1 by x cube, 33 minus 5r should be minus 3. That means 36 equals to 5r. Again, not possible. Because, why not possible? Because r is not an integer in this case. So, now see, term independent of x. Term independent of x will be c. This term will multiplied by the coefficient of 1 by x square in the p, and you will get your answer. Now, coefficient of x square is minus 1 here, and coefficient of 1 by x square can be obtained if I put r as 7. So that would be 11c7 11c7 5 by 2 to the power 4 and minus 1 by 5 to the power 7. Agreed? Now this minus and this minus will become plus. 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 divided by 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 into 5 to the power 4 upon 2 to the power 4 into 1 upon 5 to the power 7. Got it? 4 3 is 12, 3 is 24, 72. That is 3 times. Now, if I cancel this, I get 5 cube in the denominator. This 2 to the power 4, it will become 2 cube and this will become 5. So ultimately what you are left with, 5 3 is 15. 15 into 11 divided by 125, 1 5 will also cancel. If I cancel this to this, I get 5 square. So now the numerator is 33 upon 25 into 8, 33 by 200. This is your answer, 33 by 200. Have a look at it. Just see once. Please have a look. Understood? Now, let's go with this question. The question is 11C1 upon 2 plus 11C2 upon 3, 11C9 upon 10 is m by n. M or n, they are co-prime to each other. This GCD of mn is 1, that means they are co-prime to each other. If you want, you can give it a try. Take 1 minute quickly. Please have a look. I can, if I give you a hint, you can do it using integration. See, I will explain two methods for this. Say method 1. Its rth term will be TR is 11CR upon R plus 1. Yes or no? So this is equals to 11 factorial upon R factorial 11 minus R factorial into R plus 1. So it will become 11 factorial upon R plus 1 factorial into 11 minus R factorial. Let's do one thing, multiply it by 12, divided it by 12. So this become 1 by 12 times. Numerator is 12 factorial minus R plus 1 factorial, which is basically uh, R factorial. Am I correct? So this comes out to be 1 by 12 into 12CR plus 1. 1 by 12 into 12CR plus 1. Got it? What they are asking you, your R is varying from 1, 2, 3 up to 9. If you see, R can be 1, 2, 3 up to 9. So this will be 1 by 12. Summation will be what? 12C2 plus 12C3 plus 12C4 up to 12C11. Got it? Now I know that 12C0 plus 12C1 plus 12C2 up to 12C11 plus 12c12 is 2 raised to the power 12. Now you don't want these two terms as well as you do not want this term. So that means 12c2 plus 12c3 up to 12c11 will be 2 to the power 12 minus 12, 13, 14, and then you divide it by 12 also. Am I correct? So that should be your answer. Now you can cancel it using 2. So it is 2 to the power 11 minus 7 upon 6. 2 to the power 10 is 1024. So this will be 2048 minus 7 upon 6. Now you can simplify it. That is 2041 upon 6. This should be your answer. So this is one way of doing it. Have a look. Then I'll explain you another way. Quickly see. Now another way is see why we will be writing the expansion of 1 plus x raised to the power n. All right. So what is the expansion? 1 plus x raised to the power 11 I will be writing. That is 11c0 plus 11c1x plus 11c2x square plus 11c3x cube and so on 11c11x to the power 11. Got it? They're asking you from 11c1 to 11c9. Now you this is dx, this is dx. Integrate from 0 to 1. Got it? So that comes out to be 1 plus x to the power 12 upon 12. Limit 0 to 1. This is 11c0 into x, 11c1 x square by 2, 11c2 x cube by 3, and so on 11c10 x to the power 11 upon 11 plus 11c11 x to the power 12 upon 12, limit 0 to 1. Now if you put upper limit, you get 2 raised to the power 12 by 12 is equals to. Here also if I place 1, I will get 11c0 plus 11c1 by 2, 11c2 by 3, 11c3 by 4. There will be a term 11c9 upon 10, which you are trying to find. Then 11c10 upon 11 and 11c11 upon 12. Correct? Now you are looking for value of this term. See, this entire term is expression E. So 2 to the power 10 upon 3. I divided by 4. 1 plus E plus 11c10 is 11. 11c10 will be 11. So it will also be 1 plus 1 by 12. So your E should be 2 to the power 10 upon 3 minus 12 to the 25 upon 12. Now if I take LCM, 25, 124, yes. So it will be 12 LCM, 2 to the power 12 minus 25 upon 12. Here it was minus 7. Is there some mistake happened? One. 11C10 is 11 by 11, 1. 11C11, 1 by 12. 11C1 upon 2. The power 10 upon 3 minus 2. Oh, it looks quite fine. 2 to the power 10 upon 3, 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1 by 12. 24 and 125 by 12. Subtract. So has there happened some mistake? 12C1 is 12. 12C0 is 1. 12C12 is also 1. So 2 to the power 12 minus 14 I'm getting. 1 by 12 into 12CR plus 1. 12C2 plus 12C3, 12C11. 12C0, 12C1. 12C12 is 2 to the power 12. This is E. You are looking for the value of anybody who notice any mistake, just let me know because I don't find anything. One question, how can it give two different answers using two different methods? R varying from 1 to 9, 11 factorial multiplied by R plus 1. This became R plus 1 factorial multiplied divided by 12, 12 factorial. So it is 1 by 12, 12CR plus 1. So 1 by 12 times 12CR plus 1, R varying from 1 to 9. So it is 12C2 plus 12C3 से लेके 12C11. 12C10. R varying from 1 to 9, so it has to be 12C10. So this is 12C10, means this value also I need to calculate. So this will become 12C10 and but this is 12, 24, 25, 26. It should be 26 here. 12C1 to 12C10. 12C2 to 12C10. So 2 to the power 12. So this goes wrong now. Some mistake happened here. So it should be 2 to the power 12 minus 26. So what is happening here? 24 and 125. Now one error is here. C2, 12C3, 12C10. All right. Anyways, we won't do it too much. I have told you an approach. Now go for it. Find the mistake and let me know also how did you get that. है ना? I gave you very good idea about the problem in both the ways. Got it? Now let's jump to this question. If sigma k from 1 to 10, k square 10 c k whole square is 22,000 into L. Got it? Sigma k from 1 to 10, k square 10 c k whole square is 22,000 into L. Then L is equals to what? Now see, the question is, I can write it like sigma k from 1 to 10, k times 10 c k whole square. Got it? First of all, in rough, I will solve this. K times 10 c k. So it is k into 10 factorial upon k factorial into 10 minus k factorial. Understood? Now this is k times. This one I can write 10 into 9 factorial upon k into k minus 1 factorial into 10 minus k factorial. Now this k cancelled. So it became 10 times 9ck minus 1. Got it? So this became sigma k from 1 to 10 times 9ck minus 1 whole square. So this 100 came out. Now what I'm left with, 9c0 square plus 9c1 square plus 9c2 square and so on. If I place 10, I get 9c9 whole square. Got it? So it is 100 times. I can write it 9c0, 9c9, 9c1, 9c8, 9c2, 9c7, and so on 9c9, 9c0. Now consider it, this particular expression, consider it like there are 10 boys, say 9 boys. There are 9 boys and 9 girls. And you need to make a committee of, and you need to make a committee of 9 students. Committee of 9 students. So how is this possible? You do not select any boy, you select all 9 girls, or you select one boy and you select 8 girls, or you select 2 boys and you select 7 girls, or you select all the boys, you do not select any girl. So this comes out to be what? 100 times 18 C9. Tell me yes or no? 100 times 18 C9. That means out of total 18 students, you have to select finally 9. Got it? So it is 100 times 18 C9. They are saying it is 22,000 into L. Now, this one require your attention and calculation. So if it is equals to 22,000 into L, so 100 cancels 2 zeros. So your L is 18C9 upon 220. Now you simplify it, you get the value of L. Have a look. Understood? Now let's try this question. Give it a try. Hello.
Hello students, good evening. Sorry for the inconvenience. This teacher have some technical issue, so he can't able to continue the class. So we will close the class today. We'll continue tomorrow. Thank you.